Is your Lenovo Ideapad 3 making a weird noise? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Strange noises from your laptop often come from loose components or failing fans that need to be checked and replaced. We carefully inspect your Ideapad 3 to identify the source and make the necessary repairs to silence it. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.